afternoon for everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the waste of safe water in Colombia. So, let me start with the background. We all know that the most important priorities in the world should be the access of safe water and maintaining in suitable conditions. The report said that the lack of access of the safe water now killed more people than cancer. Well, we know that in Colombia exists more than 30 rivers, so the most important thing is that all of those rivers will be contaminated or quasi-contaminated. So we are a country that are really privileged with these resources than the others, because in other countries, in the other countries, this resource is limited, and we are a privileged people that have a lot of water, and now we have to privilege it. Now let's move on this picture. As you can see, the picture shows the countries that has limited situation of access of safe water, like Algeria, South Africa, some countries that have limited or quasi extinct rivers, and the real problem is that Colombian people are not conscious of this problem and no notice that in the future will not have the access of safe water, or some rivers and lakes will be extincted and finished with safe water. Colombian people now think we have a solution. So all people think that we all have the opportunity to waste and not create a real solution. And this is a real important thing to know. So the principal fact of the solution that I give is the cultural education, because in the schools and college teach how many things that it's important in life, but now is really important to teach how to prevent the contaminated rivers or lakes, and how we create manners to not waste a lot of water that now we do. The next important fact is the government. The government have the power to teach the institutions and create solutions that move a lot of people, create new laws, really important solutions that teach the common people to not waste the safe water. So it's important to present to you the third reporter of the World Academy of Science about the drinking or safe water. This is important because in this report we all know matters, technologies, and how implement some solutions to the safe water. This report is the worldwide, so it's a solution for all the people, not in Colombia, but this is how implemented in some countries now, and create real important technologies of how we can give access in some rural places. So in this case, it's important to control the industries, create laws that control how they use the safe water. The most important thing is the sector, the agricultural sector and textile sector, that are the most industries that waste the safe water nowadays. Now, to contextualize in Colombia, we now have laws to control industries, we now have laws to control how they use the safe water. So We all know that industries of other countries stay here to to contaminate the nature that we have, and this is a real problem today in our country. So we all not know the value of the safe water, and we all know that someday we'll not have the safe water, and all our rivers will be extincted or all contaminated. So finally, we all know that the world is in a critical situation now with the safe water. So the important thing is to recognize that the resource maintain the humanity alive, and it's a real important fact for the coming generations. So take this into account, and thank you for your attention today.